There is nothing more comforting than a bowl of mac and cheese. And I'm spicing things up today with this jalapeno mac and cheese. That sort of is a cross between jalapeno poppers and your favorite mac and cheese. Start by de-seeding your jalapenos. Snip off the end, cut them in half, and then use either a knife or a spoon to scrape off the seeds. Then just chop the jalapenos into small bits. Once your jalapeno is ready, add butter into a Dutch oven or a large pot and add the chopped jalapenos. The idea here is to infuse the butter with the jalapeno and also cook them slightly. Stir them and saute them for a few minutes, and once you can start smelling the fragrance of the jalapenos, add some flour. This is what's going to make the roux or the base of this sauce. Cook the flour for 2 minutes, and this helps get rid of any rawness in the flour or any raw flavor from the flour. Now start adding your milk. Add half the milk that you have and keep stirring till this mixture starts to thicken. Once it has thickened, add the remaining milk and then simmer this again for a few minutes till you see everything starts to thicken again. Add pepper, oregano, and salt to the sauce, along with some water or stock. You can use either. And your elbow macaroni. Now I'm using macaroni here because I really love the traditional mac and cheese, but you can use any pasta that you have on hand. Anything should work, but I wouldn't recommend a long string pasta like a spaghetti. Use something that is smaller because it soaks up the sauce better, and anything that has like a groove or a crevice is much better in this recipe. While your pasta is cooking, keep stirring the pot every 2 to 3 minutes. This helps the pasta not to stick together or stick to the bottom of the pan. Once the pasta is completely cooked, add the cheese. I've used a mixture of cheddar and mozzarella, but you can also use pepper jack or Gruyere. You choose, decide whatever cheese you like, and that'll work in this recipe. And our jalapeno mac and cheese is ready. Look at that stringy, cheesy, creamy goodness. Doesn't that make you super hungry? This is Richa from My Food Story. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you next time.